When your Active Directory forest functional level is higher than 2008 R2, an Active Directory recycle bin can be activated. It will contain all the objects deleted from Active Directory and will provide the ability to restore them. The Active Directory recycle bin is not enabled by default. To enable it, click Start. Under Windows Administrative Tools, click Active Directory Administrative Center. You can also run it by typing DSAC in the Run window. Click your domain here. This will show all the containers in the domain. As you can see, the recycle bin is not one of them. To enable the recycle bin, click the obvious option Enable Recycle Bin. For some reason, someone high up in the decision-making chain decided that this requires a verification window. This is your last chance. Once the recycle bin is enabled, it cannot be disabled. Take a deep breath and click OK. Now that the hard part is behind you, take a moment and please subscribe. This window indicates that you need to refresh to see the new container. Click OK to proceed. After hitting the refresh button here, your deleted objects container appears here. When you click it, you'll see that it's empty. It will not contain any object that has been deleted prior to it being enabled. Let's delete a user and see how the restoration process works. Open Server Manager, click Tools, and click Active Directory, Users and Computers. Find the user to be deleted, right-click it and click Delete. Verify that you are deleting the correct user and confirm deletion by clicking Yes. Now, click Start, Windows Administrative Tools, and click Active Directory Administrative Center. As soon as it opens, you can already see the deleted objects container here. If you don't see it here, click your domain and the deleted objects container will appear in the list as one of the containers. When you click it, you can see the user you just deleted here. When you right-click the deleted object, you'll see a few options. Let's go over them briefly. This will restore the deleted object to its original location. This will allow you to choose a destination location before you restore. This will show you the parent container of the deleted object. And this will open the Properties window. The information in this window depends on the location of the object. While this object is in the deleted objects container, it doesn't show much. But once it's restored, this window will show significantly more information. Click Restore to restore the object to its original location. Now, all that's left to do is to open the Active Directory Users and Computers and refresh. Your restored object is here.